You no longer need to worry about your customers missing to give you a review. Here in HiFiveStar, you can use the Get Reviews link to follow up for a customer review. You can send them an SMS reminder, an email reminder, and a WhatsApp reminder. Let's start with the SMS tab. You can add your customers one at a time by adding the name and the phone number, starting with the plus sign and then the country code. Or you can also upload a CSV file. The CSV file is limited to 100 entries. Click on I have the receiver's consent to send a message to this contact. Then, click on Request a Review. Only those contacts who haven't opted out will receive the message. Enter your sender ID and create your customized message. Don't forget to use the name variable, and later this will be replaced with the name of your customer. Then, click on your link and lastly, add your company name. After you click on Save Template, you can preview your message. If the customer hasn't left a review yet after 3 days, you can send an automatic SMS reminder. Toggle the button and click on Save. Should you wish to add another reminder after 7 days, toggle this one again and click on Save. Now let's move on to the email reminder. Uploading the contacts for the email reminder is similar to uploading the SMS contacts. Just click on Upload a CSV and select the file that would contain the customers and their email addresses. Make sure that you have clicked on I have the receiver's consent to send a message to this contact. Then you click on Request a Review. Feel free to edit your content and click on Save Template. Just like the SMS reminder, you can send another automatic reminder after 3 and 7 days. Lastly, we have your WhatsApp reminder. So you can upload the same format as you have for your SMS reminder. You may edit your template, and on this one, you have to click on the button beside your contact name. Should you wish to add another contact that is not on the CSV file, just click on Add Line, and then you may put your contact name. After you click on Request a Review, it will ask you to open your app.